Welcome back, guys. So now we're not going to do the distance formula. We're going to keep the same points that we used from the distance formula, but now we are going to do the midpoint. The midpoint formula. So the midpoint formula is a formula that gets us the coordinates. The coordinates of our midpoint. Not length, not anything doing with units. It is simply the coordinates of our midpoint. So it's the location. Let's use the points we used from the previous video. So if these are my points, 3, 7, 0, 4, then the midpoint formula tells me that x1 plus x2 over 2, comma, y1 plus y2 over 2. My midpoint formula tells me that these are my coordinates. This is my x coordinate. It's my x value. And this is my y value. This whole thing, just to be clear, this whole thing. But now all I have to do is plug numbers into that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that using different colors. So I'm going to make that my x1. So 3 plus, and then my other x value. So I'll just put a 1 right, so there's going to be x1, and there's going to be, x1, and there's going to be x2. So x1 is 3, x2 is going to be 0. Put that all over 2. Comma, and then we're going to do the same thing. So this one I'll make my y1, and this is going to be y2. So this one's going to be 7 plus 4 over 2. And now all I have to do is add these numbers up and then divide it by 2. So when I do that, I get 3 plus 0 is 3, so I get 3 over 2, comma, 7 plus 4 is 11, divided by 2, 11 over 2. So these are the coordinates to my midpoint. So I'm going to go ahead and keep simplifying that into decimals. So this becomes 1.5, comma, and this becomes 5.5. And now this is the coordinate for my midpoint, and I am finished.